Hello, it's Miss Shepherd. So in today's lesson, our objective is we will describe and understand plot elements, including the main events, the conflict, and the resolution for text read aloud and independently. So I want you to remember back to yesterday's lesson when I introduced and we talked about conflict and resolution. And remember, the conflict is the problem in the story, and the resolution is how the characters solve the problem. So in today's story, we're going to be reading the story Cloudette. So as we read, I'm going to stop for you to respond on the next slide in the Nearpod. So make sure you're paying close attention as we read the story together.
Cloudette by Tom Lichtenheld. Cloudette was a cloud, a very small cloud. Usually, Cloudette didn't mind being smaller than the average cloud. Cloudette, average cloud. In fact, being small had lots of advantages. Everyone called her cute little names. Hi, Pipsqueak. Hey, Shortcake. Morning, Small Fry. She had lots of little friends. Hey guys, what's up? Us? That's nutty. No matter how crowded it was, she could always find a good spot to watch fireworks. She could sneak through tight spaces. Excuse me. Hide in small places. I can't find her anywhere. Me either. And she even had a special little space that always made her feel cozy at night. But once in a while, all the other clouds would run off to do something big and important. Come on, Cloudette. Join our cold front. We're going to make a huge storm. Yeah, we're going to water some crops and make some mighty rivers flow. No thanks. I'll just watch from here. Cloudette could see them in the distance, doing all sorts of important cloud things.
So I'm going to stop right here, and I want you to click the arrow on your right, and you're going to type and tell me what the story is about so far at the beginning. So you're going to type and tell me what has happened so far in the beginning of the story.